Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm very happy. So, today is holiday. Yes or no? Yesterday was Christmas and today you all have holiday. So, nicely you enjoy. But still, please complete this back exercise. Okay? Monday when we are starting our new lesson. And so, before that you complete all the book exercise and the classwork. Okay, my dear children? Okay, so today before we start, I have already posted this classwork also. So our classwork, so how I have told you to write, see here, first I told you to start with hard words. Okay, the hard words are this attired, legendary, humility, pious, aggravated, evident, unquenchable, renowned, sublime, pilgrimage, unimaginable, competent. So 12 hard words are there, and Roman letter 2 I told you to write the missing letters. Write neatly one after the other. Okay, don't write like hard words. How 5 hard words this side and then opposite side you will write, no, adjacent itself you will write these hard words. But for missing letters, please don't write like that. Write one after the other. Okay, in that missing letters I told you to write Rudrakshi, instrumentalist, embodiment, succession, harmonium, guidance, literature, commentaries, uninterrupted, innumerable. 10 missing letters. Okay, then Roman letter 3 is your fill in the blanks. Okay, in fill in the blanks, the word Gawai means great singer. So singer is underlined. And the second one, Devara Hosapet, a village in Ankal Taluk, is in Dharwad district. Then third one, Puttaya was born on 3rd March 1914. Then fourth Phillips is pen is mightier than the sword. Dr. Puttaraj has led a legendary life. Okay, so now moving on to the question answer part. Okay, so turn page number 111. In page number 111, we have the question answers. So start to write all the question answers. Okay, so what does the word Gawai means? The word Gawai means a great singer. When was Puttaraj Gawai born? Where was Puttaraj Gawai born? Second question. Puttaraj Gawai was born on 3rd March 1914 in Devagiri near Karajagi in Havari district. Make a list of different honors that Puttaraj Gawai received from the society. Ubaya Gana Visharat, Nadoja Prashasti, Rajya Sankita Vidwan, Kanaka Puradara Prashasti. Okay. Fourth one, how is Puttaraj Gawai different from other musician? Puttaraj Gawai is physically challenged and he overcame his blindness and excelled in music, and also he can play many musical instruments. Okay. Fifth one, did Puttaraj Gawai get all the honors only for his music? No, Puttaraj Gawai has been conferred with many titles and awards. See, conference spelling is a bit wrong. Please change that spelling. C-O-N-F-E-R-R-E-D. I missed E there. Okay. By many institutions that promote art and culture, recognize talents and service to humanity. Okay. So, sixth one, the life story of Puttaraj Gawai is a lesson to all. Do you agree with this view? Yes, the story of the life of Dr. Puttaraj Gawai is a lesson to all those who are physically challenged, for he could overcome his disability and reach such unimaginable heights. Okay, so from his life we have to learn many things. We have to learn to achieve. Okay, that is the main point. Seventh one, what are the features of the schools run by Veereshwara Punyashrama? So what happens, this institution has become highly renowned and runs on a secular approach. It admits students from all sections of the society without any discrimination. And also, we should add, this ashrama is specially dedicated to imparting musical knowledge to people who are differently abled. Okay, especially the visually challenged, drawn from all castes, religions and sections of the society. Eighth one, what are the features of the schools run by Veereshwara, that we read just now. Okay, name a few plays written by Puttaraj Gawai. What are that? Yeah, it is there in 109, page number 109. Notable among them are the plays Sri Kumareshwara Kavya, Akkamahadevi Purana, Sati Sukanya, Puratanara Puraba, Sharanara Basaveshwara Purana, Guru Sudha and Sangeeta Shastra Janana are his works on music. Okay. True or false? Roman letter 2 in page number 112. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Gawai was only a singer. False. Gawai's greatness is only in his singing ability. False. Gawai was a great philanthropist. True. Puttaraj Gawai's concern was only for disabled. False. Puttaraj Gawai stands as a shining example for those who are disabled. True. Okay. So, see here, write in a paragraph. I wanted you to write in a rough note, not in classwork. Please do not write this in the classwork. You write this in a separate rough note. And then show me, then I will correct and give you. I will give you the clue. From there, which paragraph you should start. According to you, this paragraph writing is to test your ability, how you are framing the paragraph. See here, I am giving the examples. You find out and write it not more than, not exceeding 100 words. Okay. See, the early childhood days of Puttaraj is in page number 107. See, in from the second paragraph. Okay, till this family, the word ends with family, no, in page number 7. Third paragraph, this was a big blow to the family. Till that, you find out and frame the sentence on your own and write it. Okay, then the achievements of Puttaraj, you can write it from page number 109. See, it starts from 108 only because he has already written 80 outstanding works. See, the last paragraph is there, no? From there you can write. Okay, till you should find out. There are many things from page number 108 to 109. You can find out and write. Okay. The qualities you admire in Puttaraj Gawai, you should write. See here, even though he is disabled, even though he this person is blind, he excelled in music and many things. Okay, he is the real challenged conqueror. So you have to say with the examples how he had excelled. All these things you can write here. Okay, and what qualities. Okay, how the simplicity of maybe physical appearance. See, in the first paragraph itself, it shows that how simple he is. Okay, with that you can write, or knowledge, how he wanted to educate the disabled, how he is helping others, all those things also you can include in this. Okay, moving on to the next page number 113. Vocabulary. In vocabulary, write the opposites of the following words. Ability, disability. Popular, unpopular. Few, more. Changing, unchanging. Reduce, increase. Later, earlier. Okay. So, in Roman letter 2, use the following words in sentence of your own. Legendary. Sachin Tendulkar is legendary for his ability to play cricket. Pious. She is very pious and religious lady. Evident. The problem have been evident for quite some time. Devoted. South Indian people are mainly devoted to agriculture. Instantly. Instantly he turned towards her. Outstanding. In class 5, Syed is an outstanding student. Competent. Rani is extremely competent and brilliant. Okay. So in this page we are seeing these articles and the. This grammar part we have already completed, and we have finished term 1 grammar test also. In that we have studied. I hope you all have completed, you know. So I think you can write it. Okay. So here take page number 114. In this, please fill it whether it is a or an. Make it, please write it in pencil. I lived in a village for 10 years. My friend has a shop of his own. I have a brother and a sister. This is a chair made of teak wood. The doctor has advised me to take an apple a day. An apple a day to be healthy. They work for an hour. An hour. She has a house in Mysore. Ranjani has a yellow bag. Jack is an honest boy. They removed the bush using an axe. Okay, so moving on to this, correct the errors if any in the following passage. See here. I am a student in class 5. I lived in a village which does not have even an hospital. The people there lead a simple and honest life. They usually work for more than an hour in the fields. Okay. So here how you should write. I am a student in class 5. I live in a village which does not even have an hospital. The people here lead a simple and honest life. They usually work for more than an hour in the fields. Okay. So this one. Second one, in my house we have a alamar to keep my books and dresses. It was very hard to find a empty place or a box in my house because we have lot of things to store or to keep. In my house, we have an alamar to keep my books and dresses. It is very hard to find an empty place or a box in my house because we have a lot of things to store or keep. Okay, that's all. So please copy this one's Roman letter 2. This 114 just now we have read. No, the correct the errors. Please do not copy this in the classwork. Okay, this is book exercise. You can write it below. So we have space, little space here. You can write it here, or else you can strike out that an and write a will like that. Okay. Wherever there is a mistake, you can write it. Okay, children. So, we have seen today hard words. You have to copy the odd words, missing letters, fill in the blanks and the question answers. Okay. This one, back exercises, others you should write here itself. Okay. In the book itself, you can copy. Okay, children. Thank you so much.